Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully all friends will be safe and sound. Friends, once again I have come up with top-rated forex trading broker. And this is providing $50 no deposit bonus 2024. Let's get started. How can we get $50 no deposit bonus from this broker? But before talking about the no deposit bonus, I wanted to say that watch this video complete so that you can understand all in the terms and condition. 1 bid broke, welcome bonus 2024, get $50 to start. If you want to register an account, click on Get Bonus tab. Here I will tell you only some of the terms and condition of this broker. Furthermore, I will leave link in the description. Go and check out yourself. 1. The welcome bonus promotion is available from January 1st to December 31st, 2024. 2. The size of the welcome bonus within the promotion is $50 United States dollars. 3. To receive the welcome bonus, you must 3.1. Register on the website linked to www.onebidisset.com and go through verification in the personal area, KYC. 3.2. Open a real trading account nano. Replenish your trading account with an amount not less than $10 United States dollars and do not withdraw funds for 30 days. 3.3. Send an application for a welcome bonus to bonus@onebidisset.com from the email address provided during registration, indicating in the application the trading account number for accruing the bonus. 4. If the client opened a trading account before the launch of this promotion and has not previously received a bonus, then he can qualify for the welcome bonus. 5. The client receives the welcome bonus once during the promotion period, regardless of the total number of trading accounts. Hopefully you enjoyed video and learned something new. Please subscribe to our channel and like video and share it among your friends and family members. Thanks.